Hi, Tyler. Sorry, I was out walking when I saw your email. I'm home now. So the key takeaway from that question is that you're told that those lines are medians. And when we have the intersection of medians, that was one of those central triangle things that we talked about. The third median is not important here, but we know that they intersect in the same point, so I could sketch in a third median. But the relationship between those medians is that they all meet at the same point, and they're all divided into a piece that's like a smaller piece and a larger piece. And that larger piece is always twice as big as the smaller piece. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio. Or in other words, the small piece is 1/3 of the entire thing, and the bigger piece is 2/3 of the entire thing. So if we knew that smaller piece was 12 units long, we would know that the longer piece would be twice as long, or 24 units. So that's true not just for numbers, but also for algebraic expressions too. So I can see that those two medians, and again, I could sketch in the third one, but I don't need it here. Two medians meet in that one point, and the smaller piece is half as long as the bigger piece. Or in other words, two of those smaller pieces would be equal to one of the bigger pieces. And I just solve for x. Be careful when you read the question. I'm not sure if it's asking to solve for x or to plug the x back in and find a particular length. But that's it. All right. Hope that helps. Bye-bye.